Answer the questions.
Today's story is about Zhu Wei, a student from Shenzhen. He's now studying in the United States. He's living with an American family in New York. Today is the Dragon Boat Festival. It's 9 a.m. and Zhu Wei's family are at home. His mom and aunt are making zongzi. His dad and uncle are watching the boat races on TV. Is Zhu Wei also watching the races and eating zongzi? Well, it's 9 p.m. in New York, and it's the night before the festival. But there isn't a Dragon Boat Festival in the U.S., so it's like any other night for Zhu Wei and his host family. The mother is reading a story to her young children. The father is watching a soccer game on TV. And what's Zhu Wei doing? He's talking on the phone to his cousin in Shenzhen. Zhu Wei misses his family and wishes to have his mom's delicious zongzi. Zhu Wei likes New York and his host family a lot, but there's still no place like home.